They were heading to All Aboard Expo. Wait, All Aboard Expo sa QC 2026 for our Random Pinoy Geek podcast. We're doing podcast episodes. We're technically not there for Are You Kidding Me? Although, well, I guess we also are because I'm recording this. But yeah, Tish is on the camera, Chai's at the back. Elvin's already there waiting for us at securing the table. So we set up, we do interviews, we do the regular podcast, and I'll be going around showing you what there is to see. Alright, everyone else is wheeling all of our equipment inside. I just parked. This is the parking lot, by the way. It's right next to the actual building. Parking is very limited, so like if you actually want to park here, you should get here very early. Right now there's a lot of parking still because we're actually here like 7 a.m. and it opens like 9 for the higher pass users and 10 for the regular pass. So like we're super early. I think they're only allowing parking for all aboard goers on the 3rd and the 4th floor, so don't waste your time going around the first 2 floors and just go ahead straight to the 4th or the 5th, and then yeah. Alright, so we're already set up here. We're by the entrance and usual podcast setup. Bigger than usual camera setup because we have bigger guests. What else is new today? The ceremonies are gonna start soon. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to look around because I have a problem walking at the moment. But yeah, for now we're gonna document whatever we can and then hopefully, just show you whatever we can of the expo, but we can't promise too much because we are busy recording for the podcast. Okay, so we've finished a couple of interviews. One was with Vasel, which was the main draw here. The second one was with the bid from Daviau, and now we're heading up to the interview rooms for the other artists. We actually tried to get them on the podcast like individually, but since we're not sure, we signed up for this media interview kind of thing, which is like a 15-minute junket style kind of interview. So we'll sign up regardless, and then like if we can get them on the pod, then we still do that. So yeah. So this is the kind of waiting room for the junket style interviews. They have a schedule where it's like 15 minutes and a 10-minute break, and then another person. Well, you can sign up for another person. It's not everyone, so it depends on who's there and stuff like that. So yeah. Not right now. We're waiting for our turn, which is in 10 minutes for the first guy, and then we're basically here for 4 hours waiting. Yeah, and stuff like that. Yeah. Hi, this is actually day 2. Day 1 was crazy, so I didn't get to vlog a bit. There might have been a B-roll of what we did, the guests we have. But I'm here day 2 and we are early. This is before doors open because we're set up for the podcast already. So I thought this would be the best time to show you the place because like there's not any people and we can clearly see what's here. So here you can see, here we have King of Tokyo. This is ELO Games, All Play. The Veer has cities apparently good according to David. We have Mandu Games, Broadway Toys, this thing, that thing. This is the thing with the walking on in Osaka thing. Use and Qs. Well, there seems to be a lot of Japan games. MTS games. More Japan games. I don't know if they did this on like a by the country thing, because kind of Asia themed board games here. Alright, so these are the things that are released, the main highlights they're releasing this convention. Kalikasan is a Cascadia reskin. Modern art is Philippine edition is basically just modern art with Philippine art. So they got art from like Philippine artists like paid stays and to officially get them on the card game. Sinigang is designed by a foreign designer. Sorry, Jason Glover. Sorry, my eyes are bad. But the art is designed by a local artist, Catan. So yeah. Alright, so that's the main hall. I might have lost some footage there due to the camera mishap, but I will shoot it again later when there's a lot of people. This is the gift shop right here. We have, well, we call it the gift shop, but it's mostly basically the gaming library inventory. You have everything they normally have in store, plus the other stuff that the publishers are bringing. They have special discounts, like if you buy 3, you get this one edition. You got 5 games, you get 10%. Last year it was 20%, so I don't know what's up with that, but that's it. Yesterday there was a long line because of a credit card thing, but now it should be better, hopefully. Right, so that was the gift shop slash the store. Again, this is before opening. This is even before where the VIPs get to go in, so that's why there's not a lot of people. Where the hall going in, it's just basically sponsors like Globe, Power Mac, and stuff like that. We're now heading up to the second floor to see what's there. This is like the main play area, which they will be having the Magic the Gathering and other maybe tournaments later. Let's see what else. A Warhammer. I assume this is a paint and take thing. Okay, so I guess this is not the best time to show you all of the booths here from upstairs, because like the smaller boothers don't actually have their stuff set up yet, because it is early, so we'll probably just go back later. We should check out the third floor though for now. Here I think this is the play area for Blood on the clock tower. Hello. Oh, hi everyone.
Oh, we're just setting up right now.
Yeah, I'm just showing them like what it looks like early, but like I just said it's a bad idea because like the second floor shops are all closed still. Yeah. Like they have it's covered and everything. But yeah, thanks. I think alright, so I think that's it for now. Otherwise, it's like the no, there's a lot of things going on. It's just that the other things are like the D&D actual plays and panels and stuff like that. For now though, again, since nothing is open yet, we're just gonna go back to our booth and see what we can find or see who we can talk to, and then let's see what else we can do with this little video of ours. Those were our recordings for day 2. Now they organized this sort of content creator mixer. We'll see what we can find there. But yeah, right now that's where we're going to. It's in the second floor, one of the meeting rooms. So we actually have no idea what we're in for, but yeah, let's see. Alright, so we're here at the content creator meet and greet, which we basically just have all the creators in one space, meeting with like media and local creators, like Maeva's there, Yohan is there, Randy is there, and Tom skipped, but yeah, that's it. I'll probably be heading down now as well, because we did already have a lot of time with these guys in the show. Alright, we're jumping to day 3. We're already inside. It's before opening hours. That is the line for the VIP, which enters at it's supposed to be now, but I guess they haven't done it now. Hans is doing the announcement for the internal stuff, and people are actually already here because the staff is already. So we have some of our people from our team, that's our editor and Sadie's right there already playing games. But yeah, let's see what happens today. Hi, Dwayne. I actually also have a vlog. Say hi to.
Hello.
Say hi to the 300. Sorry. It's a new vlog.
Hello to our followers.
This is Dwayne 1. If you follow the RPG podcast, this is Dwayne 1. Because the no other Dwayne is Dwayne 2. Anyway, he works for Gaming Library. What are we expecting today?
We're expecting a lot of things. So first, we got a restock of
I saw your post.
Modern Art Philippine Edition. We work with 5 amazing Filipino artists. Last day 1, Thursday, we got them officially released the game. Then it sold out kagad. The rest of our stocks just arrived last night. So super dami nating Modern Art. It's a game that you can be proudly Filipino of. And ang ganda. I mean, I'm medyo biased ako, but honestly, maganda yung game. Like the quality of it is really good.
Medyo lang.
Yes.
Bias.
So that I am very excited for.
I'll finally be able to get a copy tonight.
Yes.
Thanks, Dwayne.
Bye-bye.
So,
Do you want me to go to your booth?
no, here. It's a vlog. It's a vlog. So, Emerson, are you familiar with the ooh meme? No?
No.
Oh, damn it! That was a joke. Cause no, anyway, that's a streamer thing.
Unless it's followed by
It's a-
Baby Turn the Lights Out.
It's the UWU thing. You type that as ASCII. So we're old. Sorry, but
no, actually,
yeah, and it's like
seen that.
yeah,
I've seen that,
So
yeah.
so how does it feel when the mayor mentioned your name, and she said Matsuuchi?
I didn't even notice that.
no, she,
I was just
I'm-
honored that she actually mentioned
I'm
my name.
obviously exaggerating it a bit,
Yeah.
but it did sound funny to me. I thought you would be familiar with the meme, so that's funny. Oh, okay, this sucks, but yeah.
I'm sorry. Super let down.
Sorry, it's a new vlog and no one's really following. But say hi to the 300 people that.
Hi, the 300 people that watch this.
This is Colby, creator of famously known for Summoner Wars, which and famously known for a plaid hat that he's not wearing. But yeah,
You're just gonna keep
just-
on digging
I'm
on
like, it's a letdown. And just note that he's the one that famously said Elvin the Voltron. The Goliath voice. Alright, well that's it. You have something to say.
No. Hi everybody.
Alright, thank you.
Bye.
Now at day 4 of the Expo, they just opened the doors for the VIP people, so now everyone's coming in. We're in Jedi cosplay. Sally's doing like a sit thing, and yeah, this is how the Expo gets filled in the first few minutes of it. And these are all the Bakunawa pass holders. So if you want to get an early 1 hour early, you get this pass. Alright, so this is actually the day after. I had a hard time walking around towards the end of the day because I actually been walking around with a leg injury the whole time and wasn't painkillers. The episode right now is already being edited. This is going to be the ending part of the episode. As you can see, the whole studio where we shoot the podcast is a mess because like most of the equipment that we normally shoot here, we take some of it to shoot on site when we need to. But yeah, we're here just because I wanted to show you guys what I actually got from the event. Alright, so what did we get? White Castle by Daviau. David, who we interviewed, recommended it. This is one of their heavier games. This is not a super heavy game by any stretch. Cities is the one most people are talking about in the con, mostly because of the Quezon City tile things. That's one of the best sellers. But Sinigang is one of the original releases from the event. I actually did not get to see them and have no idea how this plays, but I figured I'd get it and worry about it later. Ouch, also from the beer, this is one of their light games. Tish likes it, so yeah. Modern Art is again one of the games released. So apparently no, not one of the games released, one of the games reskinned for the Philippines with additional I don't know, but it's just a card or cards, and it comes with an art book. I do not actually know how this game works, so but I believe it's just like you now have options of Philippine local art instead of just the standard that normally came with it. Another new one, King of Tokyo Godzilla edition. I believe King of Tokyo was always designed to be a Godzilla thing. It's just that they didn't have the license or never bothered getting the license. Now it does have. It is a lot more expensive than the regular one without the license. Some pieces are wood and stuff like that. I didn't get to play the whole of this version, so I don't know if it's any it's how much different it is from the original. But like you're getting it just for the Godzilla thing mostly, right? I mean, of course there's gonna be difference, but you're not paying the extra just because there's a variation. You're paying the extra because it has Godzilla. A couple of other things. I've got the new Unmatched Stars and Stripes. This is one that's just released. The one before it is also Legends. I have all the Unmatched sets aside from I believe that the 2 Jurassic Park ones, but literally everything else. So, and those ones are overpriced in the tertiary market. That's why I'm not getting them. So, like it's mostly like not scalpers, but like old copies. But it's out of print, and they're not gonna get the license anymore. So they know they're gonna be rare. Until then, I'm not gonna spend $300 on a box of that because it's rare. So. But other than that, yeah, we have everything right now. And another one is Arc Nova. Supposedly one of the best games ever. I think this is the BGG top 10 or something, if I'm not mistaken. I've just never had this game. I don't know why I've never gotten it. And they did have a promo in the shop, like we mentioned, that it's like buy 5 games to get 10% off. So getting this for 10 off is perfect. So anyway, that's it. I know that the vlog looked more like a behind the scenes more than showing how people played, but like you all went to last year's or this year's or are going to next year's, you're gonna experience all of how that works, like going there and playing works. Most of you do not know what happens behind the scenes before the doors open, so I kind of wanted to show that more. If you've noticed, all of the designers were they were kind of grumpy the first day. I'm guessing because of jet lag and things like that, but towards the 4th day we brought some lightsabers and everyone just playing and having fun before the doors opened. Of course, when the doors opened, everyone became busy, but the lightsabers and things like that were the things that you don't really see happen every day. So yeah, we might focus on more on that, so more on those behind the scenes things that that you don't get to see for yourselves, but we do because of media passes and creator passes and whatnot. So I might actually focus on more of that content when we go to these events, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, see you on the next one. Bye.